Hey guys, Dave here from BODA Token, and today we're checking out the new BODA lottery. This rolling jackpot lottery does three things: contributes to buyback and burn of BODA tokens, donates money to charity, and most importantly, gives you a chance to win BUSD. Let's find out how to buy tickets and get in the game. Alright, so to start, just like any other D app, you want to connect your wallet. I've done that already, and I'm ready to buy my tickets. I just click Buy Tickets, then click Enable, and confirm the transaction. Once that's complete, I can pick a number of tickets. Now the tickets are $5 each, so I'll buy one. Now if I want to pick a specific number for my ticket, I can click View Edit Numbers here, and that lets me preview my numbers, randomize, or enter my very own number. Then I just click Confirm and Buy and accept the transaction in my wallet. And that's it. Then I wait until the drawing and see if I won. As you can see, matching just the first number gets you a small prize, while matching all 6 gets you a huge prize. Note that the order of numbers is important. For example, if a ticket starts with 1-2 and the number drawn starts with 2-1, that wouldn't be a winner because the numbers aren't in the right order. The great news is that if nobody wins the top prize, the lottery keeps rolling over until there's a jackpot winner. Also, we're helping the BODA ecosystem by buying back and burning tokens, raising the price floor of BODA forever. And we're also giving money to charity. So when you play the BODA lottery, you're helping out BODA and charity and have a chance to win big. If you have any issues buying tickets, check out the Getbook guide linked at the bottom of the bodalottery.app site. Or you can always hit us up in Discord. Thanks for watching, and good luck.